Welcome to Cloud Institution YouTube channel, the best software training institute. So today we are going to discuss what is Azure. So let's move on to question. So what is Azure? So Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform and service offered by Microsoft, providing a wide range of solutions such as virtual machine, database, networking, storage, AI, and DevOps tools. It enables individuals and organizations to build, deploy, and manage applications through Microsoft Managed Data Center across the globe. Azure supports multi-programming language, frameworks, and operating system, offering flexible and scalability. Key services include infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Azure helps business reduce IT costs, enhance security, and accelerate innovation through reliable and on-demand cloud infrastructure and intelligent services. So, when you're talking about an Azure, that means Microsoft Azure was launched in October 2008 and released in February 2010 and is the second largest public cloud after AWS. Initially focused on the platform as a service, after later Azure expanded to include infrastructure as a service, that is IaaS, to compute with AWS. Today, it offers the largest variety of cloud service catering and device needs such as AI, IoT, storage, and database. Major companies like Beyond, eBay, Samsung, and BMW rely on Azure for their cloud solution. And Azure is a set of cloud service that deploys an IT professional to use to build, deploy, and manage to the Microsoft global network of data center. And it has highest growth and it has most region also. So let's move on to demo and I'll show you the portal also. So you can see this is the Azure portal. Okay, so you can see number of services as being deployed here. Okay, so in upcoming classes, we'll be discussing what is resource group, what is recovery service vault, what is virtual machine, what is virtual network, subscription, storage account, etc. Okay, and if you want to search any other services also, you can see search option is given here. Okay, and also you can see the notification. So the main benefit of this notification is that if you deploy and if you delete any services, you'll be getting a notification. So it is not given to any other cloud. For example, any other cloud means AWS, GCP, IBM, or etc. So only Azure, it's having a notification bar. Okay, so I think you got an idea about what is Azure and everything. Okay. So if you like our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more information, please contact Cloud Institution. Thank you.